How to make paper pulp at home. To make paper pulp, all you need to do is rip up lots of paper. You can rip up any type of paper, including coloured paper, newspaper, letters. When you've got a big pile of paper assembled, then add it to a bowl and add some water if you've got a handheld food mixer. Or get a Tupperware tin with a tight fitting lid. You'll be doing the shake method, which is a lot of fun. In your Tupperware, you need about 1/3 paper to 2/3 of water. Once you've added your paper to your big bowl of water or your Tupperware tin, leave the paper to soak overnight. If you're doing the shake method, you'll need some marbles or some washed stones or pebbles would be ideal as well. You're going to add the stones into your Tupperware tin. Even if your lid fits really snugly, you still need to wrap it in lots and lots and lots of cling film so no water spills out. And then start shaking. Shake again. Keep shaking. Ask your family to help shake. It's a lot of fun and a good workout. If you're using the food blender, ask an adult to help and make sure you keep the blender underneath the surface of the water. This will stop you becoming decorated with the paper pulp. Once you're ready and your paper pulp is nice and fine, start sieving it out. You can use a sieve, or in school we've used a net to do it. A bit of lace would do. Anything that has some small holes in. When you're near the end of collecting your paper pulp, pour the excess water down the drain, but pour it through a sieve so you don't block the drain up. I hope you've enjoyed making paper pulp. We are now ready to make some art with it. I really like paper pulp because it's so environmentally friendly and it's very low tech, easy to make. Keep your paper pulp stored, ready for workshop 5. We'll be making some artwork based on the kingdoms of Benin and Ife. Thank you for watching.